Okay, in this video, I will teach you how to insert superscript and subscript in HTML. Okay, so you open your HTML text editor, then you create a new file called index.html. I am using Visual Studio Code. So if you are using Visual Studio Code, then you must go to File, then you select New File. Okay, then you type index.html, and then you press enter. Okay, save it to your desktop. Okay, so I have already created my index.html file here. Now the title, call it superscript in short and subscript in short. So sup and sub, it means superscript and subscript. Okay, now after that you go to the body tags. In between the body tags, insert two H2 elements, or insert two H1 elements, or two H1 tags. Okay, so with the first, in between the first H1 tags, type 52 equals 25, and inside the second H1 tags, type H2O means water. Okay, now save it. I save it to my desktop and then I open it. This is what I typed: 52 equals 25, and then H2O means water. But we want to change the 2 to become a superscript, which makes it 5 square. 5 raised to the power of 2 equals 25. And then the H2O means water. The 2 is a subscript. Okay, so let's go back to our Visual Studio Code and then do that. Before that, align the H1 to the center. Okay, align equal center. Then you save. Now let me check. You refresh it. Okay, so it has been aligned to the center. Now let's insert our superscript and subscript. Now 52 equals 25. It is supposed to be 5 raised to the power of 2 equals 25. So the 2 must be a superscript. So before the 2, we have to use the superscript tag. Okay, so the opening superscript tag is this sup. Then you close it. Then after the 2, we add a closing superscript tag. So like this. Okay, save it. Now go to your index.html file, refresh it. You see it says 5 raised to the power of 2 equals 25. Now let's go to the 2 in H2O. The 2 in H2O must also be a subscript. So let's type the opening subscript tag, sub, and then after the 2 we add the closing subscript tag. So now save it. Go to your index.html file and then refresh it. Now you see the first one, 5 raised to the power 2 equals 25. So it means 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And then H2O. Sorry, let's add O. I deleted the O, so let's add O after the closing subscript tag. Okay, so H2O means water. Now let's go to index.html and refresh. Okay, now it has been corrected. So H subscript to O means water. So H2O means water. And the first one is 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, which means 5 squared is 25. Okay, so this is how to use or this is how to insert superscript and subscript in HTML.